like before. And swear not to be like strangers anymore. Let's forget that we've been angry. Let's be lovers like before. And swear not to be like strangers anymore. Congratulations! Congrats! Buti ng naman ha. Wala. Pero, makay ka pa sa recognition ha. Malamano ka na kami sa email na. Malamano ka sa recognition ha. For now.
Tulos na ha. Pagtuhay na ikaw.
Literal na brother ka. Hindi naman ako eh. Uy, ang brother. Vintage.